So hi guys, welcome back YouTube. I'm gonna make rice, but unfortunately my rice cooker is not working no more, it's damaged. So I'm gonna do and cook rice the old school way. So stay tuned and check it out. Okay guys, we're just gonna rinse real quick. I already pre-washed it. Just like so. Remove all the water. That I do. I rinse it one more time. And remove the water. Alright, so now I'm going to add my water. All around. Takes about 2.5 bottles. Depends the amount of rice. I think I have enough water, so a little bit of too much water, but you want to measure to 1 inch, which is comes to the first line here on your finger. So make sure everything is level, your rice leveled. You just measure 1 inch all around, and once it's 1 inch and you're good to go, get your pan here. And now let's move over to the stove and start cooking the rice, which takes about 10-15 minutes. Cook it on medium high, then switch it to medium and to low as there's no water remaining, and we'll see from there. Alright, let's start this fire up. And we'll put our rice on top of the pan. So the first few minutes you want to put it on high, that way it will boil the water faster. And say about 5 minutes top, maybe 2-3 minutes if you want, but not too high. Right now it's on medium high, and we'll wait to start boiling, and we'll turn the fire back to medium. Alright, we'll be back guys. Alright, as you can see, the water is boiling. Now we'll turn on the heat to medium.
Ça boue encore, il faut que ça ouvre. Quand ça commence à être sec, après, tu dois faire doucement. Ah, c'est bon.
Also just leave open a little bit so air come up. After a while, the water is completely gone. Pulling low. Do my rice. I cook my rice clean and everything. So now I'm gonna make barbecue chicken outside, so I have to go and clean the grill and such, prepare for it, and we'll see you on the video as I barbecue So the rice has been set aside. Now it's time to clean the barbecue grill.